Over the years, we generated technologies that allows us to sequence millions of samples, and we transformed this technology in the last week with the help of the management for the corona outbreak.
What we're trying to do here is to do the entire process on an automated one-step levels.
Whereas the current capabilities are basically sample one patient at a time, and this difference really allows you to screen basically the entire public.
We're now ready to start experimenting and calibrating with patient samples.
So we put here the most advanced robotics to run over 20,000 samples in one day, enhancing the Israeli capacity by tenfold of what we have today.
In the process, we got a lot of support from the Israeli Ministry of Defense and from the Asuta Ashdod Medical Center, who have been instrumental in allowing us to quickly get access into patients, and Tel HaShomer, who is the leading medical center who is taking care of sampling patients throughout the country. This is the brain of the entire system. We call it Maya. In this robot, we take the samples from one end and the reagent plates from another end, mix it up completely automatically, and performs the entire process in one step, resulting in many tens of thousands of processed samples. This is where we read the plates with the processed samples. These systems, they are all connected to one another and to the Weizmann computational infrastructures, where the output in terms of patient data is freely flowing back to the physicians.
This whole lab was basically empty a week ago, and with the help of the management and basically all of the scientific community at Weizmann, who practically donated their robots, their PCR machines, we assembled in 1 week a fully operational, the most high-tech lab probably there is in the world.
As a physician, as a scientist, I feel that it is not only our duty, but actually our pride to do this. Everything that we hope to achieve will be made fully available to whoever is fighting this terrible pandemic around the world.